So here's something that we haven't talked about on the channel yet. It's 7:45 on a Monday morning, and I'm dropping the truck off to get repaired. That's right, repaired. I'm at a collision and glass center here in Arizona, and back in, let's see, it was right after Christmas, so in December of last year, we were in an RV park in California, and a large trailer sideswiped with tail swing my truck. It's not horrible damage, but enough damage that it needs to get fixed. It hyperextended the passenger mirror, and I'll throw a couple of pictures in here of what happened, or the damage anyway. But we're going to be in this area for several weeks, so I arranged to drop it off and have it fixed here while we're here in Arizona. So yeah, it's part of the trials and tribulations of life on the road, I guess. Just be careful out there and watch what you're doing, and if you get that pit in your stomach, get out and look. Goal. I live by it. Anyway. Yeah. So we're going to be without our truck for I don't know how long yet. So I'll keep you posted though. Alright, thanks.
Sweet.
Ask me what I got.
What do you got?
I got a new gadget. We're going to give connecting a try. So I'm actually just putting it together right now. This is the bigger one with the 8 antennas. So I'm just putting the antennas on right now. But that's their phone number. But we're going to give it a try and see how it does. It's another way to get online. It's a little bit cheaper than Starlink. I don't know how good it is yet, but we're going to find out. I heard good things about it, so we're going to try it out. What do you think? Right now I'm just putting these antennas on. So that's step one.
So do you have any wires or anything to connect, or is it just supposed to be?
There's one power plug.
Mm-hmm.
This here for power, and that's it. And everything else should be wireless.
And this works through cell phone towers,
so it
correct?
Works through cell phone towers. So my understanding is that it works with all the cell phone towers, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, whatever else might be out there, and takes the best signal and gives you internet. So, like I said, we're going to give it a shot and maybe lower our monthly bill a little bit. Who knows? But yeah, so I'm actually going to finish putting the antennas on, and up there we actually have a outlet. So I'm going to put it up there, and I think that's going to work really, really well.
Where again? Point again.
Up here.
There you go.
Up there above the cabinet. So, there's some 4G box that comes on the Brinkley up there, but I'm not exactly sure what that is for. So I know I know it's going to fit up there just fine. So there's 6 antennas that are 4G, 5G, and you got to put them in the right spot. And then there's 2 more that are 2.4 gig and 5.8. So you got to make sure you put the right antennas into the right spots, I guess. This is what I read. So anyway, yeah. So it's Friday now. I dropped Big Blue off on Monday. Just got a call about 45 minutes ago. They're done already. So I'm here to pick it up. How exciting. I'm so excited and very impressed it only took a week. Well, 5 days. So, damage was
All right, what we got?
Well, what day is it?
Super Bowl day.
Super Bowl day. Super Bowl Sunday. And why is it special today? Because the Seattle Seahawks are playing, and that's our team. Gonna show them what we got, Chloe, for our spread.
Chips and salsa, some dip,
Some nacho cheese.
some nacho cheese, some veggies. Over here we got some hot wings.
More coming.
More coming. A little bit of pizza. Rob already snagged some. Mozzarella sticks. Representing.
Go Hawks!
All right, we gonna do predictions?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
The first thing that matters is the coin toss. Rob's got tails this year.
Rob's got tails? All right.
All right. Well, and the other thing we always do for Super Bowl is we always rate the national anthem, and then we trade scores with my dad. It's just something with it we've done for years. So we definitely have to make sure we watch the national anthem so we can scale 1 to 10 on how good they did. So.
Well, it's Charlie Puth. It could be good.
Ooh.
I didn't know
that.
We'll see. Grandpa, so my dad, he measures all national anthems. Where you going, Trish? All national anthems based on Whitney Houston. That's the best one. That's his number one.
I could see that. I mean,
Yeah.
and how do you top a Whitney voice?
Right.
Seriously.
Right.
Okay,
Like-
so we gonna give some predictions. Who's gonna win?
Out of 10.
No,
Oh.
not
Not the national anthem.
No, that'll
Predictions
be,
of who wins.
Yeah, let's say who's gonna win. So Trish could go first.
Well,
Who's gonna win and what score?
for my friends Jim and Amy, going for the Seahawks. I don't know on the score yet. I got to think on that.
Okay. What about you?
I'll say Seahawks, obviously. Do 25 to 19.
Ooh, some odd kind of scores. I'm also gonna say Seahawks, and I'm gonna say 27 to 13.
Also odd.
Ooh. You come back. I was gonna say 27 to 20,
All right.
but we'll see.
All right, you gotta go out and get the.
'Kay.
Go get Dad and Rob's.
Is that just on the back of the truck? Oh, nice.
All right, Dad, you got to give your prediction of who you think's going to win and what score.
Oh, see, who's going to win? Seahawks.
Duh.
Hands down. That's just a given. Score, I think it's going to be close. I'm going to go 13-10.
Ooh, you were lower than the girls.
Yeah, I think it's going to 13-10.
All right, Rob.
Seahawks 21-18.
21. Hey, I said 25-19.
It's going to be close.
Hi, Moxley.
For one night, we're all in it together.